It's time to meet the 4-point Dopp, part of our Presidio travel collection. The 4-point Dopp is your ultimate travel necessity. Comes with a laser-etched leather sewn-on patch right here in California in 72 hours. You've got a nice carry handle, super handy to carry it with. On the front side / top side for the camera, you've got a metal zipper opening, and inside you've got pinstripe lining that is waterproof. So if you spill liquid on the surface of the pinstripe lining, it's not going to absorb into the fabric or spill into the rest of your bag. We've coated it with a special protective coating where it'll just sit on the surface. It's great to keep all your toiletries on there, like my toothbrush, which is still in the packaging because I don't brush my teeth. And on the front, you've got a opening pocket as well here to keep other small necessities like rings or jewelry or contact lenses in. It also comes in black. My lovely assistant will pass it here to me. And black color, it's almost the similar concept to the denim opening as well. And on the black one, what we've put in here is some of our products. So you've got the box and the 10-4. This 4-point Dopp will make a nice little cool custom packaging example for some of our smaller tech necessities. And the 4-point Dopp is the only thing you will ever need to hit the road running right off the go. The 4-point Dopp.